Lena and I are having breakfast at Weld, SRIWELD food court, or hawker centre style place. It's a big drinks area there, heaps of little stands, Hokkien me, and got some Char Koay Teow coming. It's not a bad looking place, very busy, about 8:30 in the morning. Got some iced coffees coming. Got some little treats here from up the front. Oh yep, and bastard. It's all unwrapped. I've had a spillage. I've had a massive spillage with the unwrappage. Jeebus. Alright, I'll sort this out and we'll get back to it. Rightio, so I've got two of these. One's chicken with rice and sambal on the top, and the other one's prawn inside there. And that one actually stayed wrapped up when I took it out of the bag. So got a Char Koay Teow on the way. Love a snack on these. Got some iced coffees. They're actually really good, not too sweet here, so yeah, they're amazing. Might have to get another one of those, but I'll get stuck into this. See how spicy it is. That sambal's really good. Plenty of spice, bit of sweetness. Really nice.
What's your verdict there, Si?
It's not disappointing. This one's good. It's got everything in it you'd expect. It's got the little bits of the Chinese sausage. So, can't complain. It's all alright. Flavour's really good. Very, very nice. Oh, and the plate top. Oh. So we've finally had a successful unboxing of one of these little treats without spilling shit all over the place. Look at underneath here, bloody, I've got rice all over the floor. You know, that's what. But yeah, this the last one was the chicken. Lena wasn't too much of a fan. She said it was a bit fishy, and I went, no, it's chicken, but actually in the chili sauce there is some seafoody component. So you can see here on the top of this one, there's like little prawns. They've still got little legs and stuff on them and shells, but the heads have been taken off. I'm not sure whether this is the same chili sauce or whether it's going to be a bit gutsier. That's a bit interesting. Those prawns like semi-dried, or maybe it's just a shell, but they're really sweet. They're awesome. Yeah, this one definitely better than my chicken. Very good. Can't tell if it's the same. Can't tell if it's the same sauce because the prawn flavour is so intense that it changes the whole flavour of the sauce. So yeah, I don't know. Pretty nice. I'll give this one and I'll finish this one up as well, and we'll go and see what else we can find today to eat. This was the guy. We got the Char Koay Teow. Good effort. It was bloody awesome. So yeah, come and see him, man, inside the Weld Centre. He's the guy. Good effort. Really good job. Thanks, mate.
Thank you, sir.
So Lena and I just lobbed up at this gorgeous historic building. Apparently there's a restaurant in there or something, so we're going to go and have a quick spooze. Looks quite nice. We'll see what we find. Right, so that fancy building is actually Maccas. Lena and I have done our orders already. I just want to show you the price of these. So that is a Big Mac meal in Malaysia. Make it a meal, 18 ringgit and 11 cents. Divide that by 3 into Australian dollars, $6 for the whole meal as a large with Australian beef, and it's bloody $14 in Australia. Unacceptable. Right, so we're at McDonald's. The order's arrived. We don't normally go to Maccas and eat Big Macs and shit when we're overseas, but we thought we'd have a look. Lena's got this wrap, like a beefy wrap on pita bread.
Fold over.
I'll fold, yeah, it looks alright.
With garlic sauce.
And I have this, which I've been looking forward to. Nasi Lemak, which is chicken, rice, ikan the fish there, and awesome rice. And the main reason we came was because of this chili sauce. So that's Sambal. When we're in KL, we had to catch a train, and I just had a quick one of these at the at Maccas at the station, and the chili sauce is perfect. So I had to relive and make sure that it's super delicious. Okay, we'll get stuck into it. How's that, honey? Is it alright?
Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, no, it's alright. Keep going, mate. Unusual?
Oh,
Okay.
I like it.
Alright.
How is it on?
If Maccas did chicken like this in Australia, KFC would be out of friggin' business. This shit's on KFC, it's amazing. It's so crunchy. It's like proper old school KFC used to be. Crunchy and awesome, not like the new shit.
So it's good then.
Awesome. Oh yeah.
I might have to buy a piece.
That's awesome. Look, it's a Maccas egg. It's nothing to write home about. I'm not fussed with that. Not here for the googie. I'm here for the bird, man, and it is awesome. Super crunchy, and it's still moist on the inside. Look at it. Great.
Great. Okay, go on. Okay.
Oh. So we're all done. Lena's meal was 18 and mine was 15. So that's $6 and $5. I'll just have a bit more of a look at the building to show you, because it's actually pretty cool, man, and they've kept the whole building nice, even though it's a Maccas. It's good to see they've still kept it in good shape, man. It's got the big sign out the front. It still looks, it is a Maccas, but yeah, it's alright. Just got this second Char Koay Teow of the day. 4th one so far. Should have had a few extra by now, but somewhere new, somewhere different. There's a massive line up down the road for some fancy pants one, but there was no one at Auntie's, so I went there and it looks pretty good, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully I haven't made the biggest mistake ever. I wasted a whole $2.35, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Looks good, prawns are good. She never cleaned the wok, and it was looking it was smoking us arse off, so hopefully it'll taste amazing.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, fuck, I'm the shittest food eater. God, I've filled so much food this trip.
Okay, the verdict?
Pretty good, man.
Pretty good.
Considering there's no one in the line.
Is it a bit more char than you wanted?
No, it's good. Considering there's no one in the line, and it's in and out in 30 seconds, it's amazing.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Prawns. Look perfectly.
Okay, good.
Oh,
So super hot, which is
that's
great.
hot. That's good.
That's what you want.
Not bad. It's
All right. Okay, cool.
Lenes has just arrived. What's that, Hokkien char?
The saucy is first. Oh, that's like a nice barbecue flavour.
Oh, is it good?
That's pretty good.
Nice.
That's good. I wanted some noodles.
So how much was that? 8?
Yeah.
And mine was 7.
Yeah.
Alright, so 8 and 7. We'll add that up and we'll do the big tally at the end before we fly out of Malaysia. Let you know how much we've spent on food. We did have one free we did have one free breakfast. So we had 3 free breakfasts at the hotel, but we've only used one of them. We'd rather get out and find something and eat on the street, man.
Yeah, street food's the best.
Cool, alright. I've just had a pleasant surprise. Look at these. I've got an amazing seafood taste. And I've just found out she's put a handful of cockles in there. Makes all the difference. Beautiful. So yeah, the lady with no one queuing up, as opposed to the 20 people lined up at the other guy who was charging more. And Lenes bloody noodles there, pretty nice also. This way over the road there. So this is where Lena went with Auntie. She got the Hokkien char. Hokkien char, and that was really good. So that was, it was 8. Look at that, that's Char Koay there, baby. This is who everyone's lining up for. And I lined up 0, mate. This guy's supposed to be, might be some superstar, but...
Oh, the garlic, the noodles. So good.
Hey!
Is this where you went?
This is it.
Oh, yeah?
Nobody here. Arnie did an awesome job. It was great. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the place right there. If you don't want to wait 3 hours and you want to have a good feed, come and see Arnie. She'll hook you up. Early morning, cruising around Georgetown. We've spotted a big lineup down here. Must be something good. Oh, I know what this is. Lena would lose her shit if we went there. Because that is the place. I've seen other dudes doing it on YouTube. That's the place where you can get the kaya toast, and they cook the toast over the charcoal. And they got the really soft boiled eggs, which is not the cup of tea of Lena or me. So we won't be going there. That's the soft boiled egg place with the kaya tea that the kaya toast they do over the charcoal. Yeah. So no. We saw the line, could have been something new and exciting, but not today. We'll find something better than that for breakfast. And it's just down the road. This is the place. Chowrasta. Here we are. Got some markets here, early morning markets. And there's heaps of food vendors. So we're definitely going to find something amazing here. If you want to come and have a look at some of these markets in the morning, that's the best time before it gets stinking hot. We've got a wet market inside there. Lena's getting worried there's no food. Fear not, spouse, there is food. Here we go, mate. Look at these, beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm having. Chichong fun. They wrap it up in the thing, remember, and cut it up. I can see a plate, honey. And just like that, it was gone. No, it wasn't. We're in still. Sorry, huh? Just ordered 3 rolls here. $7.50, so $2.50 off. You see him there, he rolls them up. Beautiful. We got some little sauce next to them. So he lays the mat down, and then this really fine rice flour. Same as like, same process for making rice paper rolls, I'd imagine. Bit of minced porky. This poor bastard, man, he lives here and he's sweating his ass off because it is hot as shit here. Steam away. And then it's rolling jobs. Oh yeah, they look for business. Definitely. Alright, we'll go and wait for some.
I've decided to get one of these. I think it's called a fuel cap. And those things I thought were potatoes, but they're actually rice cake cubes. So I'm going to get one of these.
Yes, miss. How?
Yeah, I'll get one of those. However you make it. It's a rice cake.
So what is it, sorry?
They look like potatoes.
It's rice cake, I think,
They're
isn't it?
rice cakes, yeah. So they're very soft.
Nice. Mine's here as well. That's not too bad. It's been alright. It's got sort of char suey, or you saw the guy making them. They've got that pork mince at one end and prawn at the other. The sauce is a bit runnier than I expected, but it's alright. Just makes it a bit harder to pick up with the old chopstick. Yeah, there's another one there. Different, yeah, a bit thicker pieces maybe, but oh, it's alright. It's all good. We'll keep going. This is the best sort of place to come, man, for breakfast. Heaps of stalls, heaps of choice. Just get a small serve of 3 or 4 things, so you get a decent taste. Lenes one, I think, was the winner on the day. That was bloody delicious.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Really nice. 4 ringgits, so just over $1 for a medium. Just over $1 Australian. It's down there. Koay Teow. I'm not sure how the pronunciation is.
Yeah, no.
But mine was alright. Not really what I expected, but I have tried it. Back inside the market, and the food continues. There's another massive restaurant there with some other little hawkers attached to it. Curry, oh look at this. It's the friggin' breakfast stuff place. Breakfast desserts. Oh. Oh, that's the stuff. The pork jerky, that's amazing. Just finished at the market. If you're wondering where it is, this here is the massive cop shop. So straight opposite the police station, if you find where that is, then you'll find that Chowrasta market. This is where we had our first roti on the first night, wasn't it, down here? With the lads just here, our hotel's just behind this place. And yeah, this thing's set up all day, ready to car, Hutton Lane. Very, very popular. There's those soft boiled eggs. Makes me sick just looking at it. Oh. But as you can see, very popular.